Ha! So them a follow my flow. Them a follow my flow. And them a follow my flow, but you're on too fast for them. Even if you did, you couldn't get in the class that we in. How you figure the box, they chop it up, but mine's a tailwind. To represent what? It's like my man go tell a friend, yo. Let's really run and roll upon your block and be crucified. Your whack MCs, it's you and I. We do a dive and shoot a rhyme and truly fly. On the rise for tune tonight. Think it's time to realize what we visualize and open up your inner eyes. Tearing through your nation for motivation, music is justified. This creation gets me high, all jokes aside, I touch the sky. Lyrical exercise just next to mine, I pitch you extra-vise. I grab the mic device and don't think twice to kill your pesticides. With the daily doses on my lyricism ferocious. The brag of boasts and reggaetons are known for overflow of vocals. Direct my thoughts to the paper with laser focus. And kick flavor for the heads, kill them and promoters. DJs, MCs and breakers who stay devoted. Graffiti on the wall, yes y'all, to keep zoning this out. Slam jams like an avalanche through your whole caravan like bam, you chipping out like fear and loaded. Let it ducking down on the walking rounds. Keep it the chickens clucking now. Turn on the boom, upside down to the DJ and reloaded, yo. That hardcore shit, we born for this, homie. Ask me where I've been at, my music is self-explanatory. Like follow my flow, but you're on too fast for them. Even if you did, you couldn't get in the class that we in. How you figure the box, they chopping it up, but mine's a tailwind. To represent what? It's like my man go tell a friend, yo. On the rap shooting in the group, but I'm crude. Whether they cruise or scooting, commuting to this new tune, then grooving in the stupid, whether they spit it with juice loose and spitting it. You loop it on the YouTube when you cruise to the internet.